Hey guys, it's me. I'm back with Vito Pito. Ayy. And we've been hearing. Oh man, you can't see me. We've been hearing some.
You also see this on my video.
Yeah. We're gonna he done it, but I'm gonna try this again.
Yeah, I stopped recording, but we're gonna get back in the tent.
Yeah. See you in a second. I found out a good editing thing. So guys, I'm back. You can kind of see me. This is the house. This is my old house actually. We've been hearing noises from it, and my new house is over there. We moved a little bit, just a couple. And yeah, it's kind of scary. I don't know what to do.
There's a light on.
Dude, someone turned the light on. I'll see you in a second. We saw someone. Someone's at my old house.
Yeah, they turned the light on.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We gotta get back here. Keep going, guys. I'm gonna end the video here.